Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there's a new browser for Windows. It doesn't happen very often that we have something completely new. It's called Arc, and this was a browser available for Apple devices, and the company using the Swift language transfer for code from Apple to Windows was successful in actually making a Windows version of the browser. What's interesting with this browser is compared to a lot of other browsers, it feels a lot more modern because it does use the user interface model from Windows. So that means it looks modern and follows the rules of the Windows interface. So that's the first thing you'll see. Actually, when you run it for the first time, it's going to tell you to create an account if you want to sync between the different devices, if you're using Arc everywhere. Then it will ask you, do you want to import from another browser all the data, the passwords? I've chosen to kind of start from scratch with it. And the first surprise, because it doesn't happen on other browsers, is that you're greeted with a blank page. It does not have by default any page that you open. Of course, all of that can be changed. You can add a startup page here. You can choose what you want to do in the different settings here, and so add a new, so you can have your profile, default, space one, Arc Sync, the appearance, and so on. And you can add cards, which is kind of the identify of who you are, and change things around. You can, of course, also browse. It's very interesting because if you want to add or go to a website, you have to click or search in the URL. It will open here, and then you search, or you do a URL, you enter the address of something you want to do. Of course, there's different other options. You have split view that's available for multiple pages. You have spaces, which actually what will the spaces do is create groups of tabs that you might use often. And any page you visit will actually be showing here on the left side as a tab on the browser. So it looks different. It's kind of interesting. It feels a little more modern. I have given upon myself the task to use this browser almost only for the next few days and see if I love it. Would I adopt it, or will I go back to what I usually do, which is using Microsoft Edge and sometimes Chrome when I need it. It's going to be definitely an interesting experience. Also, seeing how fast it works or not. But definitely something new. I'll share the link to the download of the Arc browser if you wish to try it. We talked yesterday about, installing multiple browsers. It's not a problem. I have installed this one. It's another one that adds to my browser lists in Windows. So a new browser is available, and of course, basically it probably is Chromium based in the background. I haven't checked all the details on it, but pretty sure it is. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.